Girls Hack on how I find the most value-packed startup podcast. Most people listen to the popular ones that come on our feeds, but there are some beautiful hidden gems that no one knows about. Stories that make you stop, think, and genuinely learn from. And the best place where I discover them is on Spotify's podcast series, I'm Meaningful Like Me. Connect with me later.